Good morning students. Our first chapter is completed and now we have to see the exercise of the first chapter. Can you see MCQ? You have to solve the MCQ of your textbook. We have total number of 20 MCQ. How many MCQ? 20 MCQ. In this video we have to solve 10 MCQ and in next video we can solve 11 to 20 MCQ. So first MCQ, can you read it? The term multimedia has been coined from which of the following terms? It means what? The term multimedia has been coined from which of the following term? Multimedia has been coined from two terms. Now see the option: mixed media, B mid mediate, C multimediator, and D multiple media. Can you tell me answer of first MCQ? Multimedia equals to multiple plus media. Multimedia equals to multiple plus media. So your answer is D. In your first MCQ, your answer is D, multiple plus media, because multimedia equals to multiple plus media. Multiple plus media. So first MCQ answer is D, multiple media. Now second, how many maximum media elements are combined in multimedia? How many maximum media elements? Now tell me the elements of, can you tell me the elements of multimedia? Elements of multimedia, how many elements of multimedia are there in your first lesson? There are total 5 elements. How many elements? There are total 5 elements. First is text, second is audio, third is video, fourth is graphics, and fifth is animation. So your answer is 5. Can you see? 5 elements. Multimedia have 5 elements: text, audio, video, graphics, and animation. Total how many elements? 5 elements. So your answer is 5. First is 3, second is 4, third is 5, and fourth is 8. So your answer is C, 5. Now next MCQ. MCQ number 3. Which of the following terms define a meaningful speech in any language? Meaningful speech, it means sound. Multimedia have 5 elements: text, audio, video, graphics, and animation. Text, audio, video, graphics, and animation. In audio, can you see the difference between sound and audio? Sound, it means it defines a meaningful speech in any language. If you want to speak something, you can do it, but it is known as sound, not audio. Whenever you want to record your voice into your computer, then it is known as audio, but your real sound, your meaningful speech, is known as sound. So your answer is sound. Which of the following terms define a meaningful speech in any language? Meaningful speech, so your answer is sound. But the digital form of sound, digital form, computer have digital waves, that's why digital form of sound is called audio. Clear? Digital form, why we are writing digital, why I have written digital of sound is called audio, because computers have digital form, and the information stored inside your computer is in the form of digital. So it is known as audio. So number 3 MCQ answer is B, sound. Sound, difference between sound and audio. Sound and audio no difference. તો સાઉન્ડ એટલે આપણે જે બોલીએ છીએ, હું અત્યારે જે બોલું છું એને સાઉન્ડ કહેવાય, તમે પણ જે બોલો છો એને સાઉન્ડ કહેવાય, પણ તમારો એ સાઉન્ડ કમ્પ્યુટરમાં રેકોર્ડ થાય, તમારો સાઉન્ડ મોબાઈલ ફોનમાં રેકોર્ડ થાય ત્યારે ઓડિયો બની જાય. સમજ પડે છે? સાઉન્ડ ને ઓડિયોનો ડિફરન્સ મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. ડિફરન્સ બિટવીન સાઉન્ડ એન્ડ ઓડિયો. સાઉન્ડ મીન્સ મિનિંગફુલ સ્પીચ. હું અત્યારે જે બોલી રહી છું તે મારો સાઉન્ડ છે, ઓરિજિનલ સાઉન્ડ છે, પણ આ જ મારો સાઉન્ડ હું મોબાઈલ ફોનમાં રેકોર્ડ કરું અને તમને સેન્ડ કરું છું ત્યારે સાઉન્ડ નહીં કહેવાય, ત્યારે ઓડિયો કહેવાય. કેમ કે કમ્પ્યુટરમાં મેં સ્ટોર કર્યો, મારા મોબાઈલ ફોનમાં રેકોર્ડ કર્યો, મારા કમ્પ્યુટરમાં રેકોર્ડ કર્યો, તો કમ્પ્યુટર અને મોબાઈલ ફોનમાં ડિજિટલ વેવ્સ હોય. Computers have digital wave, that's why it is known as audio. Clear? So can you tell me meaningful speech means? મીનિંગફુલ સ્પીચ ઇન એની લેંગ્વેજ, કોઈ પણ ભાષામાં તમે કંઈ પણ જે બોલો છો તે ઓરિજિનલ જે તમારો અવાજ હોય ને તે સાઉન્ડ કહેવાય. ક્લિયર? અને આ સાઉન્ડ ડિજિટલ વેવમાં આવે, ડિજિટલ ફોર્મમાં આવે ત્યારે ઓડિયો બની જાય. ઓડિયોનો મેઇન વર્ડ ડિજિટલ ફોર્મ. આ ડિજિટલ ફોર્મ જ્યારે બી આવે ને ત્યારે ઓડિયો જ આવે આન્સર, ને મિનિંગફુલ સ્પીચ આવે ને ત્યારે આન્સર સાઉન્ડ જ આવે. ક્લિયર? સાઉન્ડ ને ઓડિયો મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ડિફરન્સ. ઓડિયો મીન્સ સાઉન્ડ. Audio means what? Your sound. And your sound, audio means sound, and digital form of sound is called audio. Clear? Number 4. Times, Century, Bookman are example of which of the following font? Now multimedia have five elements. First is text, second is audio, third is video, fourth is graphics, and fifth is animation. In the first element, text, we have seen there are two types. How many types? Two types. First is serif and second is sans serif. These words are come from French language. In which language? French language. So serif means what? Little decoration, and sans means what? Without decoration. Serif means what? With decoration. Sans means what? Without decoration. Can you see the example of serif font? Times, Century, Bookman. And a sans serif example, Arial and Veranda. Arial, it is the example of sans serif, and Times, Century, Bookman example of serif. If you want to decorate your text, then you have to use serif. So radio number 4 MCQ, Time, Century, Bookman are the example of which of the following font? So answer is serif. Clear? Example of serif are Time, Century, and Bookman. So answer is serif. C. Fourth MCQ, answer C. Answer C, serif. Fifth, which of the following is an audio file compressed with Windows Media Compression? Now audio file. Example of audio file. Example of audio file. Can you see example of audio file? .mp3. We all know mp3. You already know about mp3. mp3 means audio song. mp3. WMA. WMA is also Windows Media File, audio file. And MIDI. MIDI means musical song, musical instrumental song. Do you know about it? Instrumental song. Instrumental song is one type of a audio song, and instrumental song have MIDI extension. Which extension? MIDI. MP3 simple audio song have MP3 extension, and .wma means Windows Media File. Windows Media File. Now read your MCQ number 5. Which of the following is the audio file? Audio file, it means these all are audio file. Now compress with Windows Media Compression. Windows Media Compression. Why we are compressing our file? કમ્પ્રેશન કરવાની જરૂર કેમ પડી? જ્યારે તમારી ફાઇલની સાઇઝ વધારે હોય ત્યારે તમે કમ્પ્રેશન કરો તો વિન્ડોઝ મીડિયા, કઈ ફાઇલ વિન્ડોઝ મીડિયા કમ્પ્રેશન માટે યુઝ થાય આમાં? WMA. Why WMA? Because the full name of WMA is Windows Media File. That's why you have to use WMA, Windows Media File, for the compression of Windows audio file. Clear? Which of the following is an audio file compressed with Windows Media Compression? Windows આવ્યું એટલે .wma. Clear? WMA is specially used for Windows Media File. MP3 is used for MP3 songs, audio, simple audio song. MID means musical instrumental song. Musical instrumental song. And WAV means wave file. But keep in mind these three audio file: MP3, WMA and MIDI. MIDI simple musical instrumental song, ये तो याद रहे. MP3 simple MP3 audio songs, and WMA याद रखवानु छे Windows Media File. Clear? Windows Media File. So your answer is D, WMA. .wma. Can you see the dot? It is known as extension. .wma. Number 6. Which of the following terms represent the distance between the top of the letter to the bottom point? Top of the letter to the bottom point. It means what? I am writing A. Now I want to represent the distance between the top of the letter. It is known as top of the letter and a top of the top kevai, and to the bottom point. આ છે bottom. The distance between top to bottom is known as size. Size means what? The distance between top to bottom is known as size. We have already seen about size. It represents the distance between the top of the letter to the bottom point. It is known as size. Can you say top, bottom point, distance? It is known as size. A small size, big size, એનાથી વધારે big અને એનાથી વધારે big. Clear? Size means what? Distance between top to bottom is known as size. So in number 6 MCQ answer is A, size. Number 7. Which of the following term represent typeface? Typeface means font that have different style and size. Now tell me the difference between text and font. First of all read your MCQ. Which of the following term represent typeface that have different style and size? MCQ option A font, option B text. We already know about text. What do you mean by text? You know. Do you know about font? Do you know about text? Letter and character. Letter and character तो आयु ज नहीं. Font ने text. Now we have to decide. The answer is font or answer is text. आ बे माथी कयो आंसर आवे? Font or text. Now text. Text means what? आ जे बद्दू लखेलू छे ने एने text कहेवाय. आ जे बद्दू लखाण छे ने एने text कहेवाय. बराबर? હવે font એટલે શું? What do you mean by font? Font means what? Font means if you want to apply formatting to your text. Text means simple આ લખેલું છે એને text કહેવાય. But can you see the question of second question, what is typeface and font? Can you see your question is in bold letter. આ bold letter માં છે and answer is in simple letter. કેમ આ બોલ્ડ કરેલું છે? આના ક્વેશ્ચન ને આન્સર થી ડિફરન્શિએટ કરવા માટે. તો એ જ રીતે if I want to apply some formatting to my text, if I want to apply bold effect, if I want to apply italic effect, if I want to apply underline effect, if I want to increase my font size, if I want to apply font color, if I want to apply background color, then I have to apply some styles to my font. I have to apply some style, different styles and size. If I want to increase font size, if I want to decrease font size, and if you want to apply style and size, then it is known as font. It is known as font. Your answer is A, font. Tell me the difference between font and text. Text ને font નો difference. આ જે દેખાય તે text કહેવાય, simple text. પણ આ ટેક્સ્ટમાં તમે બોલ્ડ, ઇટાલિક, અંડરલાઇન ઇફેક્ટ એડ કરો ત્યારે ફોન્ટ બની જાય. સમજ પડી? આ ફોન્ટમાં શું આવે? ડિફરન્ટ સ્ટાઇલ્સ એન્ડ સાઇઝ. Font term represent typeface that have different styles. Typeface એટલે text. Typeface એટલે શું? Text. બરાબર? That have different styles and size. Text જેમાં different style ને size એડ કરી શકો તેને શું કહેવાય? Font. શું કહેવાય? Font. Font means what? It represent typeface that have different style and size is known as font. Clear? આ સિમ્પલ છે, ટેક્સ્ટ કહેવાય. આ ટેક્સ્ટમાં તમે બોલ્ડ, ઇટાલિક, અંડરલાઇન બધી ઇફેક્ટ એડ કરો, એની સાઇઝ ઇન્ક્રીઝ ડિક્રીઝ કરો ત્યારે ફોન્ટ બને. ક્લિયર? સો યોર આન્સર ઇઝ A, font. Now number 8. Macromedia Flash, Finfix Studio and Pencil are the example of which of the following animation types? Now animation elements have how multimedia have how many elements? 5. Text, audio, video, graphics and animation. Now animation is divided into 2 terms. How many terms? 2 terms. First is 2D and second is 3D animation. 2D animation and 3D animation. 2D animation have 2 axes, X and Y axis. 3D animation have 3 axes, X, Y and Z axis. Clear? 2D animation have 2 axes, that's why it is known as 2D animation. 3D have 3 axes, that's why it is known as 3D animation. Now the example of 2D animation are Macromedia Flash, Cinefix Studio and Pencil. Your lesson number 2, 3, 4, 5 all based on Cinefix Studio. So mind well, Cinefix Studio આવે એટલે 2D animation. Cinefix Studio it means 2D animation. We have to learn about Cinefix Studio. આપણા સિલેબસમાં 2D એનિમેશન છે, Cinefix Studio 3D નથી, 3D એડવાન્સ કહેવાય. 3D animation have 3D example of 3D animation is Maya or Blender. These all are the example of 3D animation, but in our syllabus we have to learn Cinefix Studio, that is 2D animation. So read your MCQ and give me an answer. Macromedia Flash and Cinefix Studio and Pencil. These are the example of which of the animation type 3D, 2D, 4D and 5D. આવ્યું જ નથી તો 3D or 2D. તો Cinefix Studio. Can you see Cinefix Studio? That's why the answer is 2D. So MCQ number 8, answer is B, 2D. Clear. Number 9. Which of the following term represents small dots on the computer screen? Small dots is known as pixel on the computer screen. Small dots is known as pixel. It is known as pixel. Can you see pixel? Small dot on the computer screen is known as pixel. When you are enlarging your image, તમે ઘણીવાર તમારી ઇમેજને ઝૂમ કરો અને જો એ બ્લર થાય ને તો એ બ્લર થઈ જાય ને ત્યારે તમે આવા ડોટ્સ જોઈ શકો. આ ડોટ્સ હોય ને તે પિક્સેલ હોય. આ પિક્સેલને ભેગા મળીને એક ઇમેજ બને. જોજો તમે ઘણીવાર બ્લર થઈ જાય ને ત્યારે આ ક્લિયર દેખાય પિક્સેલ ઇમેજીસમાં. RGB ફોર્મમાં હોય, રેડ, ગ્રીન ને બ્લુ, આ પિક્સેલ. બરાબર? એટલે આ સ્મોલ ડોટ્સ ભેગા થાય, આ ભેગા થઈને એક ઇમેજ બનાવે. સમજ પડી? એ ઇમેજને કહેવાય બીટમેપ ઓર રાસ્ટર ઇમેજ. Bitmap, raster image and vector image. Vector image, it means what? It is stored in the form of mathematical equation. And pixel, bitmap or raster image is stored in form of map. Pixel map. A pixel map છે. Pixel and a map. Map have 2 axes, X and Y. So it is a bitmap or raster image. So can you tell me which of the following term represent a small dot on computer screen? Small dot is known as pixel. It is known as pixel. Mind well, pixel. MCQ number 9, answer is A, pixel. Number 10. Which of the following term represent the classification of images? Now tell me classification of images. બધાનામાં classification માં 2 જોઈ. બધામાં classification કરીએ તો 2 જ આવે છે. First of all, multimedia have 2 terms, multiple plus media. Multimedia have 5 elements: text, audio, video, graphics, animation. Text have 2 types: serif font, sans serif font. Then images have 2 types: bitmap or raster image and vector graphics, vector images. Animation also have 2 types: 2D and 3D. બરાબર? So which of the following term represent the classification of images? Classification of images, it means images type. First, vector ne raster. Vector, it means vector image and raster image. Second, bitmap ne raster. Now bitmap or raster બંને same છે. Bitmap image or raster image both are same. Can you see it? Bitmap or raster બંને એક જ છે. MCQ B જો 10 નંબરમાં B MCQ B ઓપ્શન જો bitmap raster. આ તો બંને એક જ ઇમેજ છે. bitmap ને raster, bitmap or raster સેમ એક જ ઇમેજ છે, તો એક જ ટાઈપ થઈ. આ ફર્સ્ટ જો વેક્ટર, તો સેકન્ડ વેક્ટર અને શું છે? raster. તો raster. You can write bitmap vector or raster and vector. You can write the classification of image bitmap. First is bitmap and second is vector, or first is raster and second is vector. Why I am writing like this, bitmap vector or raster vector? Because bitmap and raster both are same. bitmap ને raster બંને સેમ છે. તમને આ ઓર દેખાય? કેન યુ સી ઇટ? ઓર દેખાય છે? ઓર મીન્સ આ ને આ બંને સેમ છે. તમે bitmap લખી શકો. યુ કેન રાઇટ આઈધર bitmap or raster. You can't write both word bitmap and raster because bitmap or raster both are a single, both are one type of the image, bitmap and raster. So if you want to write the classification of image, so you can write bitmap or vector or raster or vector. Now see the option vector raster. Vector raster, yes, correct. B, bitmap raster. Bitmap raster both are same, so answer B is cancelled. C, picture clip art, આવું તો કંઈ છે જ નહીં. D, graphics picture, આવું પણ કંઈ નથી. તો આન્સર ઇઝ વેક્ટર રાસ્ટર. માઇન્ડ વેલ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ MCQ બીકોઝ આ MCQ આપણને કન્ફ્યુઝન ક્રિએટ કરે. તમે bitmap या तो वेक्टर लखी शको या तो रास्टर अने वेक्टर लखी शको. bitmap अने वेक्टर और रास्टर ने वेक्टर, bitmap ने रास्टर एक साथे नहीं लखी शको, याद रखजो. केम के bitmap ने रास्टर एक ज इमेज छे. तमारू नाम छे ने तमारू निकनेम पण छे, तो पण તમે છો તો એક જ પર્સન ને, તમારું ઓરિજિનલ નામ લેવું યા તમારું નિકનેમ લેવું, બંને એક સાથે નહીં લખી શકાય. યા તો તમારું ઓરિજિનલ નામ યા તો તમારું નિકનેમ, સેમ એવી રીતે આ લખી શકો યા તો આ લખી શકો. બરાબર, આ તો આવવાનું જ છે. વેક્ટર તો બધામાં જ છે. જો સેકન્ડ ટાઈપ વેક્ટર ઇમેજ, બટ ફર્સ્ટ યુ હેવ ટુ રાઇટ bitmap યા raster. You can't write bitmap and raster. Clear? So answer is A, vector and raster. Now 1 to 10 MCQ over. Now 11 to 20 we will see in our next video. Clear? You have to write this MCQ in your notebook. You have to write all this MCQ in your notebook, but you have to write only question with answer. For example, the term multimedia has been coined from which of the following term? Question, and then you have to write direct answer. Option D, multiple media. There is no need to write all the option. Clear? You have to write only direct answer. There is no need to write all these option. You have to write this exercise in your notebook. And mind well, my notebook, you have to read my notebook. આ નોટબુક મેં બધા પોઈન્ટ્સ કવર કરીને બનાવેલી છે. Clear? So you have to read it and write MCQ in your notebook. Clear? 1 to 10 MCQ.